Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to give you a little bit of an update on my 2008 335i. Now if you guys are new to the channel and you haven't seen any videos on this car, this is a good video for you, so then you guys can kind of get up to speed on this. And I also realized a lot of you guys have been new to the channel just from bike content, so you guys probably don't know too much of what's going on with this car. And also people who are only here for the car stuff, I also have this BMW K1100 that we built into a cafe racer. It used to look kind of something like this big touring bike. This is my dad's GS. But anyways, so yeah, this is my 335i and this is where it lives most of its life, on jack stands. But anyways, let's get into all the little details of this car. Alright, so we can start on the front of the car. Probably the ugliest part of the car because it has the wrap all taken off of it. Because I wanted to redo the wrap, but I couldn't get it in stock, and now I'm kind of committed to trying to learn how to paint. I don't know. But anyways, we built this front splitter. I think the last video of this car, wrapped it in carbon fiber and epoxied over top of it. Doesn't look too bad, looks pretty sick. Anyways, it kind of matches the hood. This is our Sibon M3 style carbon fiber hood. And underneath there, we can go and check that out. Alright, so underneath the hood here, we have a N54 inline 6 3 liter. Also has a 66 precision single turbo on it. We also got all this from Doc Race. That includes the turbo manifold and also the downpipe and stuff, and it kind of has like a whole little kit. I'll put a link for that down in the description below. But yeah, like I said, 66 precision turbo. It works pretty good. As you can see, I dropped my little charger thing on here on the downpipe. Melted that sucker. We got I think it's like a 3.5 bar, I'm not too sure. Map sensor over here, and we're running dual wastegates on this, and they are both the wastegate pressure. I'm pretty sure I have a 16-pound spring in there, so like lowest boost 16 pounds. You can see all our little carbon fiber goodies that we did. I think that was the last video of this car. Sorry, too much bike content. Anyways, that was the last video of this car, and my wife got all these for me for our anniversary. Carbon fiber cover for the headlights, super sick, and also a little carbon fiber intake over to the turbo and a cover for the alternator. Also, while we're over here on this engine bay, we had to relocate our coolant system over to here, overflow tank, because it used to be over there where the turbo's at. This is just some aftermarket charge pipe, but kind of knockoff. It's from like CTS or ESC tuning. I'm not too sure. Anyways, that's also like a fake little janky HKS blow-off valve. It's starting to go out. I do have a brand new authentic HKS blow-off valve, but now I'm starting to think, I don't know, maybe I might chuck a humongous spring into this, so like when it hits like 16 pounds, it'll blow off. But yeah, I just like the choo-choo-choo noises. Also in the engine bay, I have a Burger Motorsports oil catch can. It comes out of the valve cover. That is a M18 aluminum valve cover. Got it powder coated for my friend Logan. Yeah, it also comes with this nice little fancy oil cap here. But anyways, yeah, it comes out of there, goes into that catch can, and then I have it routed to the ground. And engine bay wise, that's kind of it. Also, I moved my little filler tank for my windshield washer fluid, because you know I use that all the time. I probably should have just deleted it, but I don't know. It's kind of cool that I still get to keep some factory stuff. I need to get cabin filters up top there, because I kind of shaved everything out of the way, so it's a little bit easier to change all these spark plugs, because you know N54 problems, spark plugs go out all the time. Alright, so now that we're done with the engine bay, let's move on to the body. So as you guys see, we have the big Pandem Widebody kit on this. So yeah, we had to cut all our fenders and everything, and I made, as you can see here, because my bumper's just literally just laying on here, I made aluminum little fender wells inside of there, so then we don't got dirt and stuff lying up in. Have the same stuff for the back over here. Just covering that, and also I kind of seam sealed underneath there as well. This is all wrapped in sky blue, I think it's called, from 3M. Anyways, yeah, me and my wife learned how to wrap on this car. Not too bad. I definitely think I could do better the second time around, but I want to try to learn how to paint. I mean, I've been doing everything with this car. All I said I was going to do full bolt-ons, and yeah, this happened. Anyways, other stuff, exterior, we got these headlights. Pretty freaking sick. I really like these headlights. They're all like low LEDs, and these rings look pretty sick. And the front splitter, I already went over that, made it. I'll put up a picture of what it looks like underneath. It's fully mounted to the chassis. Right here we got little M style carbon fiber mirror caps. And the top is wrapped in like this rainbow glittery sparkle. I don't really know what it's called, but anyways, it looks cool. I wanted the roof to be black, but I didn't want it to be like just plain black. I want a little bit of flavor, a little bit of spice in there. In the back here, dangerously close to the car. In the back here, we got a carbon fiber duckbill. I know the back end looks very boring. We got like the base model back bumper on here, but anyways, we're doing probably a chassis mounted wing, attaches to the bumper and up across the trunk here, and then bam, big wing. Or we might do a trunk mounted one. Let me know what you want to see down in the comments below. While we're in the back here, we can talk about the exhaust. I have a 3.5-inch stripe pipe from the turbo all the way back, and it splits off to 2 back here. But yeah, that's about all that I have for exhaust. I really want to do like a resonator or something. When I get the rear diffuser on here, I might make one for that, so make sure you are subscribed for that. But anyways, I might do a rear diffuser, make it all flat in the bottom, and just have a single center exit exhaust. Anyways, moving on to the wheels. Super freaking beautiful. Bronze finish, brushed bronze finish on the outside, matte black finish on the face, and I don't know, let me get a little bit closer here. The little titanium hardware all around holding the wheel together, and also titanium hardware that's holding on the wide body kit. Also carbon fiber antenna up here, so we got carbon up there. We also got carbon ducktail. We got the carbon hood and the carbon front splitter, so got a little bit of carbon going everywhere. But anyways, I think that's kind of it for the outside of the car. But anyways, now that we did the whole entire outside of the car, let's jump inside and see what we got in there. So stock interior in here for the seats and stuff. I still have the back seats in there, and they're actually pretty roomy. I don't know if I'm going to delete them or not. I might just put a cage in here and keep the seats in there and try to make people finagle their way down through, or I might just delete the whole thing. I don't know yet. Anyways, hopping in the car here, while I've never really been in the passenger seat very much in this car. It feels weird. I haven't been in this car in a long time, sadly. But yeah, shift boots, all the stock, but my wife did get me this for our anniversary. It was the suede interior with a yellow stitching to match the yellow inside the engine bay, and also when we get bigger brakes, we'll do the yellow as well. And we also have the yellow stop start button over here, and these suede shift boot with the yellow stitching on that as well. I want to change out my shift knob, being that this is suede up through here. I think that might be a little too much suede, so I might get a little carbon one and stuff. So yeah, we might do that. But I do like this shift knob. I think it's like an actual BMW one, and it's pretty darn heavy. My cousin got me this, actually. But yeah, anyways, steering wheel stock, definitely want to change that out. It's funny feeling this steering wheel compared to my wife's car. I like the feel of hers a lot better, being like a thick, meaty boy in your hands. That's what she said. Speaking of shifting and transmission stuff, I have a spec stage 3 plus clutch in this. At the moment it's working very weirdly, and I have to figure out what's going on with it. I just want to make enough power that I don't have to care about weight. Speaking of making power, I've just been running on wastegate until I get my clutch shorted out, and I would just like run it on like 20-ish pounds of boost on the track. So hopefully we can get it out, figured out here quickly because I want to take this thing on the track super bad. Another thing that we have to do before we take it to the track and get everything done is an alignment. But before we get an alignment, we're going to throw on these new arms I got here. So we got all new front end bushings and arms and stuff, just so I have that nice brand new feel up in the front. But anyways, this is the other side of the car. I don't really know too much more that I've done to this. We wrapped all the trim in black, and yeah, I don't know, there's not too much. And if there's more that you want to see on this car, let me know as well, and give me some tips and pointers on what to do for a track setup for this car. So if you guys have any track experience or knowledge, I would love to see that down in the comments below. And if you guys stayed this long, that means you want to subscribe to the channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and also give this video a big old thumbs up. Anyways, since you stayed this long, I'll start the car for you. Alright, so this will probably maybe not start, I don't know actually, because this thing hasn't been started in like a month. Everything kind of glitches when you start it, I don't know why. Why does that happen? I don't know. I also have like ABS lights and the traction control stuff on because I have like a bad alignment. So yeah, anyways, let's see if this thing will start. Oh, also while I'm inside here, I noticed I didn't tell you guys, we got 129,000 miles on this, almost 130,000 miles on this stock motor and everything. But yeah, I think if I could like just daily this around 650 to 700 wheel horsepower, all wheel. Oh, did I ever tell you? This sucker's all-wheel drive. I'm sorry. No, not at the moment. It's kind of broken. But yeah, so those are things that we need to work on. Anyways, guys, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. And also make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up and you hit that subscribe button. I upload every single Monday and mostly every Thursday. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more of this. Let me know what you want to actually see in the comments down below, if it's involving this car or that bike. And we also have a budget build going on for the bike as well, so make sure you stay tuned to that. I'll see you guys next video.